How to make YouTube shorts in Canva step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube shorts using Canva for free. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can actually go to canva.com. Canva is a designing software that allows you to create your videos. It will allow you to create your Instagram stories. You can edit videos, edit photos, and much more. With Canva, we can create very professional and high quality YouTube shorts that get us more views and actually grow our channel. So let me show you how you can do it. Once you get to canva.com, you need an account so you can sign up with your Google account or use your email address. So after the sign up, you will get right here. So you can see here we can search for the YouTube shorts so that we can get to the templates and the layout. So you can see we have different templates available for YouTube shorts, and you can see this kind of YouTube short can be created with Canva. Now it depends on you what you want to create, what kind of short you want to go for text, you want to go for a simple short or something like this. So with a YouTube short, sometimes we like to go for actually the text which is very prominent and bold like this. So this is the kind of video that actually does pretty good on YouTube short and catches the attention. So we'll create something like this. So what I will do is I'll go with this one. Now we will click on customize this template. It will take us to our editor right here on Canva. You can see we have 4 scenes at the bottom here where you will be getting your scenes. And then we have different elements. We have upload, text, projects, and more. So you will go to the upload section first, and this is where you will upload your videos and images that you want to go for. In my case, I will have different images. So I'll create something like this, and then we have some of the footage and text. So for that, we will just upload our files here, or we can also go to the elements, and within our elements, you will be able to explore from a lot of different things here. We have lines and shapes, we have graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audio, chart, table, frames, and grids. I like to work with frames a lot because it allows you to add like footage in a certain frame. Then we have grids and we have collections and other things too. So here we have for the first scene, we just have the text. Now if you want to change something, I actually do want to do that. I'll change the background color. So I will change the background color to white, and now we have a text here, of course. So the text color was white, and I will just select the text now, and we will change the color to yellow because I want my text to be yellow colored. So we can change the color now here. Okay, yellow is kind of like a really prominent color, and I will be going for a yellow color for all of the text. Then we have our next scene. So in next scene, again, we can change the background. So for background, I'm gonna go with white instead of black. So I'm changing and I'm customizing the template here. Let me also kind of like zoom in a little bit so that you can see better. Here we have our footage, but what I like to do is I kind of like to go for a frame. So here I'll scroll down a little bit and we'll go to the frames. In frames, you will find a bunch of things here. So what I will do is I'll go with something like this. So I will add the frame here, and then actually let's get rid of the footage that we have already, and I'll place it here. Now, what I will do is I will get my footage and add it into the frame. So we have this footage right here. So I will add it, and you can see it will be added. You can see this is what it looks like. We can also go for like a complete footage if you do not want to write anything and if you want to go for the text over your footage. So we can also go with that design. To do that, we'll just deattach our video and then we'll get rid of the frame and even the text. So let's do the layout text here. We have our video and we'll set it as a background. So you can see this is what it looks like, our second footage. But we will add text. So we'll go here and add a heading text. So even if you want to do voiceovers and if you want to add lyrics, you can do this way. So just add the text and type whatever you want to. So I have added my text here. And what I will do is I will change the color to yellow. I'm going for the same color. Then we can do some of the other settings. For instance, I like to kind of like change the spacing. Then we can also change the letter spacing a little bit. Then we have of course, the font. So in fonts, we have a lot of different fonts here on Canva, hundreds of fonts available to choose from. So I'll go with this one right here, which is the bold font. Now we will decrease the size a little bit and place our text at the top or at the bottom. And you can see this is what it looks like. Now we can do another thing for the text if you feel like it's not that prominent on your, footage. So what we can do is we can click on these three dots and then we will be able to underline, and then we have the uppercase. We can make it bold as well. If you want to add a background, then you can click on the effects right here, and we have shadow, we have different effects that we can add, and we have a background. So I'm going to go with the background, and you can see this is what it looks like. So in background, what I will do is I will change the background color to white. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see now it looks much better, and I'll just place it here at the top. So you can see this is what it looks like. And this is our second scene. Now we can move on to the third scene. Again, I'm actually going for this kind of shorts, so that is why I'll get rid of the text, and I will get rid of the example footage that we had, change the background to white, and add my footage again. So this is how I will customize my two of the remaining scenes, and our short will be done. For a YouTube short, keep in mind it should be 60 seconds, and you can add multiple scenes here, or you can go with one scene. We will also be able to add music in the background. So let me just quickly add my footage right here in the second scene. We'll just have two scenes here. So I'll just, delete this page too, like this, and we will have a 15-second video. So you can see my video has been done, and now I can simply play it. So this is what it looks like. It's like a simple example. So we have this text, and then we have this text right here. I can also animate my text like this. This one is animated. So we can also animate this text. Once it's done, again, we have a lot of different elements here. You can add stickers. In stickers, you will be able to add arrows if you want to add, different graphics. If you want to add, the clicks like this. If you want to add these sparkles, any kind of sticker can be added to your YouTube short. So once it's done, what we will do is we will click on the share option at the top, and we will click on download, and our YouTube short will be downloaded. So you can see we have MP4 video. Then we can also go for the other types. So I'm just going to go with this one right here and click on download. Once the video is downloaded, we can go to our YouTube. In YouTube, we have a section which is known as the shorts. And here we have the, create option. So I will just click on create, upload video. And this is where I will upload the video we just created on Canva. You can also use the Canva app to create YouTube shorts and upload from your mobile phone. Canva is a really good tool that gives you a lot of different options. This way you will be able to upload high quality and high conversion YouTube shorts on YouTube and get more attention to your YouTube channel. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.